pipe to be nice and cherry red, right? Now,
You just dropped that.
so now we're going to go ahead and heat up the female. As I heat up the female, you're going to see the pipe going to start to glow. I never keep my flame stationary. As you can see, I always keep the flame moving slowly in a figure 8. Now, once I start to see my pipe start to go cherry red, then I'm going to start to begin to add my brazing metal, my filament. As you can see, it's going to start to melt all the way everywhere I flame the torch. As you can see, this is right here is called capillary action or capillary attraction. It's going everywhere that I have the brazing rods are going. That is good. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the next joint. As you can see, the heat is still there. So, this way, I back slowly away from the pipe. And then I'm adding all my filamentals to create a bond. And that's right there is capillary action. I can just go to the bottom, and that is done. I'll go ahead and close this.
Wait, I thought we do the